Welcome back to our carb loading video series. In the last video, we discussed heavy-duty inspection and maintenance compliance testing. In this video, we'll discuss exemptions to the Clean Truck Check Act. To start, we have zero emissions vehicles. These trucks don't produce harmful gas emissions during operation and are powered by electricity. Because of this, these vehicles are exempt as they are already following CARB's regulations. Then we have emergency vehicles. This is an important exemption under the Clean Truck Check Act as medical services, law enforcement, and fire departments use these vehicles in emergencies. Given the seriousness of their jobs, these vehicles are exempt to ensure they are readily available when needed. You may begin catching on to the theme of these exemptions as we move forward to the exemptions of military vehicles. These vehicles are exempt as they are necessary for national defense. A few more consist of motorhomes registered outside of California, new vehicles certified to the most stringent optional NOx standards, vehicles with permanent historical license plates, vehicles operating with a CARB experimental permit, out-of-state vehicles operating under a governor's emergency declaration, gas engines on heavy-duty vehicles that are already covered under the Bureau of Automotive Repair's smog check program, which are exempt as they receive a separate test to ensure emission compliance. If you have questions on whether your vehicle has been exempt, be sure to check out the CARB website for more information. That's it for this video. Thanks for tuning into our carb loading video series. We'll see you in the next one to discuss electronic inspections and approved applications.